Welcome to Discover Tech. In today's episode, we're showcasing a lineup of amazing tools designed to make firewood splitting easier than ever. Let's dive in and check out these innovative solutions. This homemade splitter, called the det wheel, was built from old parts but works surprisingly well. Using just 2 liters of gas, it can split about 7 logs in 30 minutes each. It's powerful and efficient, but you need to be very careful when using it. Most people do pull-ups on a bar at the gym, but doing them while hanging high in the air. Groy Machine created a smart machine system where every part fits together, just like Lego. That means you can mix and match based on what you need. For example, their cross conveyor works with both a powerful automatic splitter, X-Power, and a more manual one, T-Rex. Whether you want full automation or simple controls, Groy gives you the options. This mobile band saw might not be a big factory machine, but it still works really well. It has a strong motor and a sharp blade, so it can cut through even big old logs easily. It's a great tool if you're serious about working with wood. If you're tired of noisy and bulky hydraulic wood splitters, this electric one is a great choice. At first inspection, the blade may appear too thin to handle high-density timber. However, once operational, it delivers clean, efficient cuts through thick logs with minimal resistance. This unexpected performance highlights how tool efficiency is often a function of design rather than size alone. At first, I thought this machine was moving slowly, but once it started splitting, I realized how powerful it really was. The 6-way splitter at the bottom uses 200 tons of force to cut huge logs with ease. It's proof that power doesn't always need speed to be effective. The Hockey Pilkey 2X Auto is a firewood machine that takes logs and turns them into neat, ready-to-use stacks. It uses a strong saw to cut the wood, then a splitter breaks it into smaller pieces. It's fun to watch, and it can adjust to work with different types of wood too. Upon activation, the homemade log processor immediately demonstrated its mechanical force. Equipped with an 80-liter hydraulic pump and a 140-millimeter cylinder, it's engineered to handle high-resistance logs with ease. This wasn't a prototype. It was a fully functional, high-output system in real-world operation.
Whether it's a good plan or a bad plan, it's kind of like what I did on the last one. Can you see her up on the left? Chicken board.
Anyone who's spent time refining a mechanical build understands the satisfaction of functional success. Circular friction systems are particularly challenging to calibrate, but once properly aligned, they yield clean cuts and seamless log handling. Designed for high-volume wood processing, the Serra Africa XC160 features a rugged build and a cutting system capable of handling logs up to 160 millimeters in diameter. Its industrial-grade frame ensures structural integrity, while integrated safety features support continuous professional operation in factory environments. This homemade log splitter is simple but smart. It runs on a 5.5 kilowatt motor and uses a special drill to split wood. In the video, it works great on softwood, but hardwoods like oak or maple are much tougher, so we're not sure if this setup is strong enough for those. If you want your cuts to be straight and safe, start with a good base. A solid support helps you hold the wood better, cut faster, and make cleaner lines. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in both safety and results. This DIY firewood splitter showcases remarkable ingenuity. By repurposing a standard hydraulic press and scrap metal components, the builder has created a functional, high-force log splitting system. While aesthetically unrefined, its operational output is undeniably effective and a testament to practical engineering. It's surprising how powerful a homemade machine can be. With some old parts and effort, you can build a wood chipper that works really well. No need for a factory or high cost, just smart thinking and determination. Imagine a system that converts raw logs into usable firewood within seconds. This custom-built splitter streamlines the entire process, optimizing both speed and efficiency. Designed for high-volume users, it significantly reduces manual labor and increases overall output. Imagine a snow-covered worksite with a Kogan 870M effortlessly processing timber at high efficiency. Its performance outpaces traditional truck-mounted cranes, offering enhanced hydraulic precision and operational speed. With an estimated price of $81,000, it's a significant investment, but one that promises exceptional output and control. For the operator, it must feel like commanding industrial-grade power with pinpoint accuracy. This machine has everything you need to remove stumps easily. It uses a 400 cubic centimeter engine to provide strong cutting power, and the carbide blade stays sharp even after a lot of use. A brake keeps the machine stable while working, and a safety switch helps prevent accidents. For improved performance, the wood splitter's support structure should be modified into a triangular configuration to increase structural stability. Incorporating a 100 microfarad capacitor into the circuit stabilizes current flow, ensuring consistent motor function. Additionally, welding a small metal plate to the spring's end acts as a log retainer, minimizing slippage and enhancing operational safety.
Звездочку тогда выносить сюда еще дальше. Ну, место есть, в принципе, посмотрю.
Capable of processing logs up to 16.5 inches in diameter with 13 tons of splitting force, this processor features integrated hydraulic controls, a precision saw head, and built-in laser measurement. Priced around $15,500, it represents a strategic investment for operators seeking increased accuracy, throughput, and long-term reliability. This homemade machine is strong and works really well. The electric motor makes almost no sound. You mostly just hear the wood breaking. It's kind of funny how the wood pieces bounce off the tires, but if you were really using it, you'd probably want to add a chute and collect the pieces in a wheelbarrow.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord, jeez.
The situation escalated quickly. Improper maneuvering led to an unexpected reverse sequence.
Stay back.
Give up. I'm trying to, but it's coming down. It's coming down.
Anymore out here.
Let's move this up. That's...
It ropes to that. I told you not to do this. I told you not to do this too. Oh yeah.
This is a classic wood splitter with a cool twist. It uses a big main engine, and there's a smaller backup engine mounted above. They removed the cylinder head and welded the splitting wedge right to the piston. It's a smart and creative setup that still gets the job done. Traditional firewood splitting often results in operator fatigue, but this vertical hydraulic splitter mitigates that issue through a robust frame and a high-efficiency hydraulic system. Engineered for demanding workloads, it significantly reduces manual effort and accelerates productivity in wood processing tasks.